We're here at Holden Hall. This is the infamous ThyssenKrupp elevator. But look at what happened to it. It got modernized. Look at that.
We're at Texas Tech.
This is at Texas Tech. That's locked too. This place was very, this elevator was very hard to find.
Hit that button.
I did not hit that button. It just winged itself. That was the weirdest thing happened to me. See? Sucks that this thing got modded, but it's one of those rare elevator models. Hi. It took us about 20 minutes just to find this thing.
It's behind locked doors.
It's behind locked doors too. In the video basement. This is all weird elevator. It's not every day you see it's a ThyssenKrupp a modernized ThyssenKrupp like this.
We're gonna go back to one now.
Yeah. That is so weird. But honestly, the only plus I give them is that they put the Texas Tech logo on them.
Yeah, that's cool.
Otherwise, this is just a mad mod here that they just slap on. This is like a glittery, they just slap this whole panel on here. Look at that, that's a cool logo. Very 50s stairwell here too, look at that. Wow. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.